flies, man. Cooking show. Hardcore cooking. You grab peppers, they gotta be hard. Okay, now I'm getting the onions. Always get the ones
Howdy there, and welcome to Cooking In with Joycelyne. Today we have a special episode, our Ode to Spaghetti Westerns. I brought in a special guest. It's Sheriff Bill Perron from Sausageville. Hi, Bill.
Hi there, little lady. Howdy. Yes, I got something very special for you. I'm going to cook up just for you all the way from Sausageville.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. But of course, we got to get a little fire going here quick. We'll just get a little thing there. As you can see, we got a little fire.
Wow.
Hot. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, let's see here. Yeah. Oh, look what we cooked up. Potassium. Oh, banana.
That's appealing.
Donuts for your sweet tooth.
For all law enforcement, they like donuts.
Yes, they do. We support our law enforcement.
Yes, we do.
And we
got my
also
badge.
got some sausage all the way from Sausageville.
Wow, that looks great. Here, you can put them right on here. Thank you.
You're very welcome, little lady.
Now, you'll have to come back when we get this cooked because we want you to join in and eat it.
I'll bring my appetite.
Well, thanks for bringing that meat. And now, I'm going to bring in my second special guest, and this is Danny Zaino from Hardcore Cooking, all the way from Florida.
Hey, what's up, Joycelyne?
Well, thank you so much for joining us because we know you have a magic touch. He's got sausage and pepper dish
Sausage
that
and
he's
pepper.
going to show us. So,
Let's get started. Got the links.
awesome. And
All
I've
right.
got the extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah, extra virgin. We got the sausage.
Is that good?
Yes, no, a little bit more than that. How about I grab that from you?
Okay.
All right, we'll pour a lot more.
And
You
how
can
about-
always take it out.
And how about if I add
Yes,
a little more
a couple more sausage.
meat?
Then what we're gonna do, I already have, you put regular garlic in, but I already peeled it. So I've peeled garlic. Put the cloves in. And then we take it over to the magic
So here's
stove.
what we have. We have
All right,
garlic, olive oil, and sausage.
Yep. You put it on the stove, we're ready to rock. I screwed up. Okay, so hey, now you start cutting the peppers, sausages and peppers. Okay? So let me tell you the ingredients real quick. You got puree tomato sauce. You got mozzarella, regular sharp provolone pepper. You have oregano, salt, sugar, a shot of wine. For me, but no, you put wine in it. That's right there. You got yellow and purple onions. You got a mixed variety of peppers, and that's pretty much sausage and peppers. You got to put a lot of oil in it when you cook it because you're actually cooking like a tomato sauce. You know what I mean? So I'm going to start here. When you put the cut the peppers, don't cut them too small. Cut them like that because it makes a nice, delicious dish. So I'm cutting some of these here. I'm cutting them long. A lot of people cut them short. And so from here, you just cut the peppers, and you throw them. Is this on?
Yeah.
Okay. So the peppers you don't put in now. First you brown the sausage, and I already browned some sausage ahead of time to show you what it's looking like. But I'm going to do it right in front of you guys too. So I browned some sausage, and this is what it looks like. The reason why you brown sausage like that at the very beginning, okay, is because you have to cut it. You don't want to put it right in with your peppers. You want to put your peppers in after you cook your sausage. You don't cook your sausage fully. You just cook it half cooked. Okay, and then
Makes it firmer.
yeah, it makes it firmer.
Otherwise, it's going to fall apart.
Yeah, it's going to fall apart, and you won't be able to cut it.
That's
You know
right.
what I mean? So I'm back to cutting the sausage. Then also, when you do cut the sausage, you want to try to cut it long ways. So you want to cut it like that. You don't want to cut it straight like this. You want to cut it like that. It makes longer pieces, and it's more looks delicious when you go to eat it. Okay, so you cut the sausage like that. It's already pre-done, and that's how it is like this. See? Oh, good. You know, you can also boil it. If you want to boil it, and then put it in, you can too. So look, it's cooking. And what you want to do is you want to get it to a brown like this. Like that. So, this is cooking. You really kind of want to cook this on a high. Is that high?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
So we're gonna let that brown, so it looks like that.
Right.
And then you're gonna cut it like that.
Yeah, you cut it long ways, like that, thin. Yeah. And then I pre-cut the peppers. See, this is how you know, if you want to clean a pepper, you take the palm of your hand and you pop it on top of the pepper, and it'll shoot it down. Then you just cut it in half, and you pull out the guts. And it's easy to do peppers like that. Garlic too, you know, I got the garlic and the cloves. Everybody has their own way of doing it and stuff. Basically, the bottom line is I just like peeling it. Just, you know, just get it with your hand, like this one hand like that, and you just go with one hand. It's easy to peel garlic with one hand like that. Some people crush it down. It all depends on the dish. Okay. Oh, look at it. Yes.
And once you peel this garlic, you let it sit for about 10 minutes. It'll make more allicin, which is the antioxidant, which makes it more healthy. Makes it healthier. So then also, look at all these peppers. There's so many different colors. You know, this is the same pepper. When it's not ripe, it's this color. When it's beginning to ripe, it's this color. When it's fully ripe, it's this color. But it's actually the same pepper.
Yeah, and when you do choose peppers, if they feel soft at all, don't buy them because they're going bad. You know what I mean? So try to get
Firm.
a little tip. Always put your hand all the way in the back in the supermarket and grab the stuff in the back because they got to stock the shelves where they put it all the junk forwards.
Yeah. And same with when you buy milk.
Right, same thing,
other
man.
things. Always go to the back and you'll have the fresher items. And there's a lot of vitamin A in peppers and vitamin C. Actually, there's 1.5 times more vitamin C in the red pepper than the green pepper.
Okay, and the bread, I'll tell you guys about that. At the very end, when everything's cooked, I'm going to make everybody sausage and pepper subs. But in New York, in the city, when they have weddings and people were poor, they just threw sandwiches to people. They caught them and all this other junk, and they had what do you call it, block parties. And this is how the Italians, but this is a staple. Sausage and pepper is a staple. So you can feed your whole entire family very, very, very inexpensive. You know what I mean? Because sausage links are cheap, and the ingredients is kind of cheap here to make it. So these are cooking. All right. I don't want to burn my host. But here, man, look at brownie.
Aren't those gorgeous?
Okay. Now, if you noticed, I put in whole garlic. I didn't put in pieces of garlic because we have too much cooking here to cut the garlic. It's going to disintegrate, and the taste might be gone, or you don't want burnt garlic in your thing. So now we have this. Now you got to take the links off when the sausage is kind of brown. So I'm going to blow that out real quick. And here. All right. Okay. So the next thing is going to be the peppers. Okay. So I'm going to bring this over here so you guys can see without burning my co-host. Okay. Right here. It's super hot. Now I throw in the peppers. Okay, some peppers I'm going to throw in. Alright. Some peppers. See, they're gonna go down. I'll put it all over there. Put all the peppers in because I'm gonna be feeding the crew like always. They're always hungry. They want all the food. So that's the best part of them cooking. What are we cooking today? What are we filming today? We're filming a. Is there anything there? No. We're filming a cooking show. I'm in, man. All right. So we got that. Then this tomato sauce you put in. So puree. Puree has. Oh, okay. Hi, Chris. Puree has. It's like this. It's a peeled tomato. It's a peeled tomato. Okay. So you put this whole thing in here. And then you have puree. Puree is a thick tomato. So you have that.
Okay.
And then, now what we're going to do, tablespoons and teaspoons. And being Italian and my father having a restaurant, I just did the palm of my hand. So the palm of my hand I feel right here, be a teaspoon, I throw it in. Salt, palm of my hand, oh, too much, see? A little bit in the palm of the hand, be a teaspoon, boom, it's in. What are we up to? We do oregano?
You did it.
I did oregano, I did pepper?
No.
Okay, pepper. Don't be stupid with pepper. Don't put too much in, man. But Italians always have spicy food, so you throw the pepper in. And then what do we have here? Sugar is really, really important. Okay, so I have like a half a shot of sugar. Okay, wine. The Italians always drink wine out of wine glasses, out of cups, like jelly jars. So you'll see always in a traditional, even in the city of New York, you'll see jelly jars where the Italians, but I'm not going to put that much in. I'll put about that much in. That's good. No, I'll drink the rest. Okay. Ciabatta bread is an Italian bread that I'm going to make the subs with. It's really, really good, and that's going to be smoking. And then, obviously, you have to have with this meal maybe a little bit of fruit or something because it's so greasy, you know what I mean? And olives, and I forgot the name of these olives, but
Kalamata.
there it is. We have, see, she went to school. I had a problem. Okay, so yeah, these are delicious in there. Did I miss anything? No, I didn't miss anything.
Parsley.
Parsley.
Later.
The parsley is when it comes out at the end. You put parsley on it, and then you put grated
Okay.
cheese.
Go ahead and cook this.
Yeah, we can cook it. Oh, what on to me? There we go.
Heavy.
A little Italian phrase there. Sorry, guys. I got the old. Okay, so all the spices in, I'm ready to rock. So, all right, good. Now, Joycelyne's going to move it around, and then I'm going to cut the sausage, and then I'll show you next.
While we're waiting for this sausage and pepper to cook, I'm going to bring my third special guest, Teresa Zaino from Action Network and Hollywood News.
Joyce, thanks for having me on the show.
Thanks for coming. We're so pleased to have you.
So happy to be here. Teresa Zaino with Action Entertainment Talent Agency Hollywood News. I'm with the MSAB TV network filming behind the scenes for The Road to Hollywood, and we're going to be doing some interviews on the cast and crew after the show.
Oh, yeah.
But on a final
What about
note,
the veterans?
that's
man?
what I was just going to
No,
say.
you weren't going to say that.
Well, I
You
was.
thought you were going to say it? No. Okay.
Well, you can't read my mind, but I'm going to say that don't forget about your veterans because Danny Zaino with Hardcore Cooking is an advocate for the PTSD program and their families. So be kind, no veterans left behind.
Be nice to your veterans.
That's right.
Well, come on back when we get all of our sandwiches ready and have our lunch.
Looks so delicious. I want to eat right now. But I'll come back.
I know. I'm a great cook. Okay. So here we go, man. We're going to pull this out of the oven here.
Did you want?
Oh, no. We are going to put it in the oven, right?
Well, yeah, no.
Keep it going, man. We're going to pull it in the oven. So, what you got going here, we got an empty thing over here. So I got to fill it. So I'm going to bring this out of the oven. Oh, and I just screwed up Joyce's oven. So, I'm always in trouble. All right, so we have one more sandwich to fill, and then we're going to brown the top of them. So, right here, again, you take your sauce and peppers, you put it in. Pretty. Just remember your cheeses that you got to put on it because it's actually it's a sausages and peppers. So it's a Parmesan, and Parmesan has cheese on it. You could provolone, but I put mozzarella. And also, mozzarella right there. Also, you can use whole milk or skim milk. I like whole milk mozzarella on stuff. And then you have Parmesan. Try to get just straight Parmesan.
And,
parsley.
of course, Italian parsley.
Throw the parsley on top for garnish.
Beautiful.
And then we're ready to rock. And now, if the oven's working good, you'll have
We're
a
going to
night.
broil this and
Right.
leave it for about 3 minutes till it's bubbly.
And then I'm feeding everybody. Feed all you peeps. All right.
And now, the best part, we're going to take out our subs with the melted provolone, Parmesan,
Mozzarella.
and Italian parsley.
Definitely. So I'm going to pull it out. Oh, ready to rock. These are beautiful, man.
Beautiful.
Ready to feed everybody on set.
So
I'm not gonna slam
put it
the
in.
door of the oven.
One,
Oh, she's better than me.
Two.
Two.
big one,
Big one.
three,
Three. Another
and big one,
big one.
huge one.
Four.
Four.
There it is.
Alrighty,
All right, great.
gorgeous.
Man,
So, let's
So-
call in our hungry partners.
let's have a
Let-
taste test.
Let's have Sheriff Bill Perron. You ready to eat?
Oh, I'm ready to eat. You better believe it. I brought my appetite. I got my appetite right here.
Alrighty
All right.
then. And now, beautiful Teresa Zaino coming on in.
I'm so hungry.
Oh,
Well, ready guys? Dig
Can we
in.
eat?
all right.
Oh man.
You see what I made, man? It's good.
Wow. It's really good.
I just dropped it.
It's messy.
I'm really.
But really
Messy
good.
but
It's
good.
really good.
Okay, and now I've got some special gifts for everybody.
My God, this is good.
For Joycelyne,
Oh,
This
thank
is
you
Joyce,
so
ma'am?
much.
for the cast and crew.
Well, Kim Marin, who's the director and film cameraman, and then we have the sound man, Wendell,
Wendell
And
Bennett
Bill.
and
Bill.
Bill Perron.
from Sausage Country.
I want to get this very
so
hands
good.
like a wheelie.
I don't think I ever had anything this tasty in my whole life. This is so good.
All
I
right.
know, man.
What
Okay.
you got there?
And now, ooh, my
Oh,
special
my.
guest has brought a gift. Hardcore cooking with Danny Zaino,
All right.
Right.
Italian American.
Yes, but Italian Americans always. I have all the stuff in that bag. It's really quick. So here we go. We pull out everything. So this is the real gift.
Oh wow!
Wow.
Reminds me of no.
That's a reminder to all you ladies. And then provolone
and sharp
and supersad.
provolone.
So Italians always eat that. They cut it, but Joyce,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you for coming, and thank you for joining us on Cooking In with Joycelyne. Now we're going to end this with our special salami shuffle.
Let's go.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da